Today we are going to put a temperature sensor in. I made a mistake and I went and bought this electric one, but we're not going to put an electric one in. We're going to put the other type in, but I'll just show you. That's the electrical settings. I don't want that because I already have one of these in my truck and for 20 some years, and it went bad. I'm going to replace it. So we open it up and we're going to get this sensor is going to go into the block of the engine, and we're going to replace the old one. These are all different. This one is one of those deals. That's how you get that off. So let's put it on and see what's going on. I'm looking inside my old Chevy truck, old one. This is 1980. There it is right there. Temperature. Stopped working. Now we'll go out and look at the hood. Now we go out here to the engine, and we go down here to the engine block. You can see the front of the engines. It's right here in a Chevy 350 engine. And then it runs around up into there, and it goes through that hole. So I'm just going to cut it because it's no good anyway, and get this off, get the new one through. Now because this is the old one, I'm just going to cut it right like that and push it through, and then loosen it from underneath. Pull it right out of there. So this is going to go in there like that, and this is going to go up in the back. Going to go up in the back, and I'm going to get that on. That's it. I'm just tighten this up on back. It's tight up in there. Hold that steady, just like that. You don't have to kill it. And I'm getting this thing. I'm going to get it through a firewall up there, like that. And I'm getting it through the firewall without doing any damage to it. So we're looking at the block here. And when it comes with the package, they give you a couple of these to go in there, which is already in there. So I just think I got to take that one off and put this one in. It should work perfect. Now I use this form a gasket. I'm just going to a little bit around there, just like that. I never had a problem with this stuff, so I always use it. That's it. Leave it sit like that. So very swiftly, I'm going to get this one off. I can see it leaking already. Use a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. And this one in. Just like that. That should do it. Not real tight. It's real snug. So that's it. So there we go. The temperature gauge is rising. And you could hook up the electric wires. I'll give you the instructions, but I'm not going to do that because this is on antique plates, and I'm not going to be driving it at night. So that's it. Very simple.